Hello dear students, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. In this class we want to solve this question. It is question 142. 5 to the power 2x is equal to 27. 3 to the power 3y is equal to 16. Then find the value of 4 to the power 1 over x into y is equal to question mark. Dear students, if you like our videos, please thumbs up and subscribe our channel and share with your friend. Thank you. We want to solve this question. First, from equation 1 we have 5 to the power 2x is equal to 27. This implies 2x is equal to, according to the definition of logarithm, 5 to the power 2x is equal to 27. This implies 2x is equal to log 27 with the base 5. This implies 2x is equal to, we can write log 3 to the power 3 with the base 5. This implies 2x is equal to, according one of the law of logarithm, we can write 3 into log of 3 with the base 5. We divided both sides by the coefficient of x is 2. This implies x is equal to 2 divided by 2, x is equal to 3 divided by 2 into log of 3 with the base of 5. It is the value of x. Now we want to find the value of y. From equation 2 we can write 3 to the power 3y is equal to 16. This implies, according to the definition of logarithm, 3y is equal to log 16 with the base of 3. This implies 3y is equal to log 2 to the power 4 with the base 3. This implies 3y is equal to 4 multiplied by log 2 with the base 3 divided both sides by 3. This implies y is equal to 4 over 3 into log 2 over 3, log of 2 with the base of 3. It is the value of x and it is the value of y. Now we want to find 1 over x into y is equal to 1 over, instead of x we can write 3 over 2 into log 3 with the base of 5 into, instead y we can write 4 over 3 into log of 2 with the base of 3. It is equal to 1 over, these two cancel, also 2 with 4 cancel. Now we can write 2 into log 3 with the base 5 into log of 2 with the base of 3. It is equal to 1 over 2 into, we can write this log as log 3 over log 5 into log 2 over log 3. These two cancel, then it is equal to 1 over 2 into log 2 over log 5. It is equal to 1 over 2 into 1 over log 2 over log 5. It is equal to 1 over 2 into log 5 over log 2. It is equal to 1 over 2 into log 5 over log of 5 with the base of 2. Actually it is the value of 1 over x into y. Therefore 4 to the power 1 over x into y is equal to 4 to the power 1 over Instead of 1 over x into y, we can write 1 over 2 into log 5, log of 5 with the base 2. It is the solution of this question. Thank you.